Gonna go for a backpack? Where's your backpack? Let's go. Come on. Let's go. I mounted my horses. Stay caution, bridge ahead. Mountains all around us. I think I might have just forded that without that sign. Another group of horses coming back. But there are some awesome views in this valley. This is crazy. Yeah, so in the valley. Don't remember coming through here yesterday. All right. I think we're just switching into the Wilson-Kiska public land use zone or the Clearwater, one of the two. The itinerary for this trip is that we are going to Martin and Trident and Clearwater Lake. We're heading in through the Clearwater watershed, so we got about 50 kilometers one way. 2 days there, stay there for a night, and 2 days to get back. So 5-day trip, about 100 kilometers. And yeah. Good job, guys. Just been walking on this cut line. Gonna take this path around the water. And mosquitoes are so bad. They're brutal. It's just, if they were any worse, I don't know if we could hike. We could be out here. Ivy's enjoying. Oh, see? Gotta wipe her bum off with the mosquitoes. There's so many. See all these mosquitoes? Brutal. Pretty funny sign. Caution, bridge ahead. Whew. I think I might have just forded that without that sign. Or walked off the bridge, not knowing it was a bridge. Pretty sure it's for snowmobilers.
Pretty sure it's for hipsters.
In the winter. But you guys got to check out this river we're about to cross here. I don't know if it's like the main branch of the Clearwater or just a branch of it or whatever, but it's more like a creek. It's crazy. It's so blue. Very nice. Come check out this side. Just stick you through here. Cool. Nice, big, blue, clear. It's awesome. Just crazy though. So haven't checked the map or anything in a while, so no clue how many kilometers we're in or anything, so I can't label nothing. Update you soon. We're gonna stop half an hour or so. We didn't eat breakfast, none of us. It's like 11 already. I'll give you breakfast around 9:30 since you wouldn't eat. You guys will learn. We will treat them like children. If they don't eat their breakfast, they don't get any. So we'll have some lunch and take a break in the hottest part of the day, and then we'll give her again. Holy smokes. This is crazy. Wow. That's awesome. I mounted my horses. You're not supposed to tie them to trees, but it's okay. I'll tie these ones to trees. So, the bad news is, looks like we will not be able to cross this damn river eventually. We're only like 8 kilometers away from the crossing. This is like a 7-foot. Oh yeah, there's a little bit of an angle, but I'm sure that's not even, yeah. What do you have to say? Sorry?
It has to say, I'm tangled.
Yeah, so we're just finishing up this break. Doesn't look too promising for this trip. Freaking beautiful though. Just show you the scenery. I don't know if I even did that. It's a really nice place at least. Mountains all around us. Beauty. Banff is back there somewhere. First camp along the trail. Pretty crazy. Someone's... Come on. Someone's been having fun back here. I don't see signs of anyone. I mean, I just don't see any people. Imagine one person walking around here. Neat, cool. So we're just coming up to the part with the crossings. Pretty sure I'm gonna switch our shoes here quick. It's probably unnecessary. We could have just crossed back at the main trail. Now we got to cross, probably go up that ridge here and then bushwhack back to the trail. It's gonna be cold by the time we get across here. Good job, buddy. Stay behind, Bosa. Good girl. Oh, she's just shaking off the water. Boy, come here. Good job, guys. Come here, buddy. Windy today, but there are some awesome views in this valley. Pretty beautiful. I'm pretty sure this one right here or that one is the one you use, or you would use to get up to Lost God Lake. Actually, it's that one over there, because I remember that peak, that ridge. Looked bare, rocky, beautiful out here. You guys having fun yet?
Yes.
I think just about at the river crossing, so the day and the trip might be over. But that's okay. It's not bad to spend a night in this valley. Why not? We could. No, there's no way we gotta cross this. It's just not safe. A few weeks, we could come back maybe. Do it again. That's a lot of water in here right now. See, this is only, yeah, I don't know. You can kind of see. You could work your way onto this, come up this shadowed area up to here, and like I don't know how deep it is in between here and that where that tree is. But you head up, and you just keep going, but that's the main channel over there. It flows through here, and all of this is overflow right now. All of it. That's the trip. So go back, set up camp, get the dogs some food, get them to bed, and after that, sorry, I'm pulling my eye. we will probably just make a fire and rest. So let's just videotape how this how these pack horses would cross this. Houston, back up. These guys are going to know the easiest way to get across here. Wow, that's crazy. Just go for it right there. Let's see how deep this is going to get. This is the main channel right here. So they head down. Right there, let's see. Ooh. Yeah. They hit their belly. What you're saying is you just gotta swim across. Well, our plan now is to head back that way, go to the 40-mile cabin area, and we'll just camp in the field there. Oh, finally home for the night. I'd say this is all right. Got the creek down there. Come on, buddy. It's a long day of hiking, 22 or 23 kilometers, but we did good. We tried. That's all that matters. And tomorrow we'll just head back to the car. And yeah, so outside of that, time to set up camp. Bosa, you want to sleep here? No! We're set up now with the beautiful X-Mid, chilling like a villain outside this Ranger cabin. We got Bosa here, just taking a nap, trying to. Lots of horses coming around now, so Houston sees them down there crossing in the water, barking at them, doing his thing, being Houston. And yeah, we're just tired and
A little defeated.
it's pretty beautiful here though. I'll take you to a view of the valley after. I'm just a little tired and those trees are blocking it from here. But it is spectacular. filtered some water for the noodles for supper. We're having chicken bacon Alfredo and mushroom with mushrooms, so that'll be pretty good. Just crumbled bacon, Parmesan, dehydrated mushrooms, dehydrated noodles, dehydrated Alfredo sauce, dehydrated chicken. Bacon crumble, eat it. Yeah, you ate it. Looks pretty good to me. Parmesan under there too. Bacon crumble, mushroom, all the sauce, the noodles. And mix that together. Eat like a little half of it or so, and then add the rest of the stuff. Ooh, looks good. What do you think? It's pretty good.
Pretty good.
Oh, it's pretty awesome. Gonna chow this down and then probably just let the fire burn out. Go to bed a little early, maybe. Tired. Get to sleep on a new pad tonight, so that's exciting. Yeah, other than that, life's good. Another group of horses coming back. Pretty crazy. No one could make it through. No one. So, makes us feel better if they can't get through on horse. We weren't going to get through anyway. Got the bear hang here. Got it tied on that side. Just going to clip it in the middle. It's not going to be super high, just about 10 feet high enough. And once it's on there, pull this tight to raise it, wrap it around, good to go. Yeah, bear hangs are easy. What a beautiful valley. Definitely have to come back. It's too bad. Don't remember coming through here yesterday. So close to the river. A nice surprise. Or just wasn't paying attention maybe. Tired. Oh. But yeah, so maybe there's two trails and we were walking on the one further away. That would suck. Ow. Find out.
We're just gonna be walking beside it anyway still. We'll just go back to the road and go.
Found a trail. A little bit closer to the river, and we'll walk it for a bit, but it's off in the bush again. You can't see the river anywhere. One thing about this hike that has really been disappointing, so you have to leave the trail to get some views. This makes the day longer and everything, but nice spot to have lunch or camp. I don't know if you can camp here actually. Not, the ground sucks. But yeah, so. Just getting back to the staging area now. Yeah, Martin Lake. We're gonna come back in like 3 weeks. That should, if the water levels were down even 6 inches, we'd be able to cross. it's like possibly doable right now. I wouldn't suggest doing it, but that's just with the dogs. It's too deep and it's too fast right now. So just take us away. And yeah, so we got time off. It's fine. We'll come back in 3 weeks and we'll get it. So for now, Houston. There's the girls back there. And we're about to go swimming in the creek.